Hey everybody, it's just me again. Today I'm doing something for the very first time because I desperately need it. Let me explain. I am making elderberry syrup, and I have researched different people's recipes. Now this is just my recipe. So anyhow, I'm starting out with 3/4 of a cup of dried elderberries. I got this online at one of our favorite online stores. I've had it for a while. Anyhow, to this, I'm not setting it down on the burner because the burner is on. To this, I'm going to add 4 cups of water. Now I can set it down. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole cloves, 2 sticks of cinnamon, and about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more of fresh ground ginger. I went to Kroger to try to get some more ginger, but they didn't have any, so I'll have to use what I've got. So anyhow, stir this. This water's got dark already. I did go through the elderberries and see if I could find any stems or anything, but I'm going to strain it so it really doesn't matter. But I didn't see anything that shouldn't be there. Let me put it that way. Why I absolutely need this. I went yesterday and met with a bunch of friends that I went to school with, and one of the ladies put a message out today because she really looked exhausted yesterday. Of course, her husband had passed away a little over a month ago, and that's who we were getting together to support. But she looked like she was totally exhausted. Well, it turns out she didn't feel good. She left a message today while she was at the ER. She has been diagnosed with the flu. So we were all there at the table, and I gave her probably 2 or 3 hugs. So just in case, that's why I'm making the elderberry syrup. I'd been buying the sambucol at the drugstores, but I totally forgot about having these elderberries, so that's why I'm making it myself. And I will come back when this gets to a boil, and we'll go on with it. Okay, we're back, and it has come to a boil. Guess you can see that there. So I'm going to turn the heat down. And I'm going to simmer that till this gets to half of the liquid that's in there now. And I'm going to have to remember that I'm doing that because I'll forget and it'll all boil away. But anyhow, here is what I got is from Frontier Co-op. It says European elderberries, whole, certified organic. It said Sambucus nigra, and everybody says that's the best you can get. But this 16-ounce bag was $32. So I need to take care of the elderberry bushes that I've got outside. But anyhow, I'm going to get off here and let this simmer for a bit, and we'll be back in a little while. I'm back already. I forgot to tell you that I am going to put a lid on it, but I'm going to leave it slightly cracked. And we'll let it go for a little while, and we'll be back. Okay, this is reduced by half. I'm going to take this, pour it in the strainer. Now I've been trying so hard to keep up with the mess, and now I'm making an even bigger mess. Oh, and I did add 1 more cinnamon stick to this too. And it smells so good. I was tempted to taste it, but I didn't. Gotta get it all. I can hear it still dripping, but I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze. Try to get everything out of it that I can. Look at the mess that I've made. try to keep my messes cleaned up between times. But this time it just wasn't no way. Right at the moment I've got 1 2/3 cup, which means it went a little bit more than halfway, but that's okay. It might make it to 2 cups, but I doubt it. I'm lucky I'm not breaking my spoon because it's bending really bad. Oh, thought I was going crazy there for a minute because I only found 2 cinnamon sticks, and I know I stuck another one in there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shut you off for a little bit. What I'm going to do is go ahead and try to finish straining this. We'll let it cool just a little bit, and I'll bring you back when it's time to put the honey in. Okay, I've got it strained, and it's cooled down just a little bit. Even my burner. Yeah, it's cooled down. Now I'm going to add the honey. The reason you don't add the honey whenever it is really hot, it destroys all the good stuff in there. And as a disclaimer, you know, don't trust my opinion, don't trust anybody's opinion, do your own research, find out what the elderberry syrup is good for. What I'm going to take it for is to boost my immunity system, since I've been exposed to the flu. And I took the Sambucol that you can get at the drugstores. I took it for probably 2 to 3 weeks, and I've just been out of it for maybe 4 or 5 days, but I meant to go pick up some more, but then I remembered I had this package of elderberries, so I had to find it. Oh, it smells wonderful. I wish you could smell it. But the dosage on this is 1 tablespoon daily if you just want to boost your immunity system. And I said if you are already feeling symptoms or you're already sick, to take 1 tablespoonful every 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours. That's what it said. But like I said, do your own research. You know, form your own opinion. See what's best for you. Now I'm going to pour some of this in the measuring cup that I had the honey in, so it'll get all the rest of the honey off the sides. Good to the last drop. And this is our local honey. I've still got some, quite a bit. Trying to get that little bit of, there it is, honey that was up there on the lip. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these 2 jars. And once I get a funnel, then I will put them in those jars. I forgot. I actually thought I'd be able to do it without it, but I've already made enough of a mess. But I've cleaned it up between times, so we'll see what happens. ended up with, let's see, 8 ounces. Eight ounces in here and 6 ounces in here. So I think that'll last me for a while, but I have more elderberries left. So I will make some more when I run out of this. So thank you all for watching. Y'all take care, stay safe, and we'll see you next video. Bye.